Introducing reMarkable 2, the next generation paper tablet. A revolutionary new device for your business that combines the familiar feel of pen and paper with the digital powers needed for a modern workflow. Make notes digital, comments shareable, and convert handwriting into text. No more typing up your meeting notes. All your work instantly synced to the cloud and readily available on your phone and laptop. Every piece of paper in your workplace, organized and connected. No more printing or disorganized stacks of paper. More focused, engaging, and productive meetings, free from notifications or distractions. Do your best work on the most advanced paper tablet ever. reMarkable, for an organized, focused, and paperless workplace.